Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit text in a fillable PDF form or refill it. Open your fillable PDF form with PDF XChange Editor, select file option and here you will find this open option. You can open and browse from folder and I have already opened this fillable PDF form. Now click on this text box and you can type name and says it and see this, and in this way you can edit your fillable PDF form and retype text. And yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.